Hi guys, today let's talk about something new that everyone willing to know about, which kind of person you are. Do you think about that before? Okay, we will help you, but do me a favor, please subscribe and press the bell button so you can hear more useful details to know about yourself in the future. Let's start. Which kind of person you are? First of all, we all have to know that there are two types of people, left brain and right brain. The thing is, one side of the brain is dominant. In left brain, they always think analytically. If you are most analytical and methodical in your thinking, yes, of course, you most probably be a left brain person. In right side brain, if you are likely to be more creative and artistic, yes, those are the things run by right side brain. Let's do a small activity. Which color you can see in here? Is it green and grey or pink and white? If you saw green and grey, you are a left brain person, and yes, of course, if you saw pink and white, you are a right side brain person. Are you happy with your answer? If not, don't get upset. There are many advantages of the way we are thinking. Let's see what are the advantages. So these are the advantages, and let's move to disadvantages as well. But don't take them as weaknesses, we can change them to our strength. So these are the disadvantages, and let's see what are the suitable career for our characteristics. Left brain, lawyer, health and safety engineer, medical scientist, cost estimator, operation and research analyst. Right side brain, graphic designer, counselor and psychologist, interior designer, manager. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are still not satisfied with the answer, of course you will love to take another test which I have attached below. And good luck. See you guys in next video.